Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Friday evening, June 27, 2025, and we have a lineup of finance headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Direxion closing 2 ETFs. Direxion Shares ETF Trust will be closing 2 ETFs, the Direxion Daily Travel and Vacation Bull 2X shares and the Direxion Daily Cloud Computing Bull 2X shares due to insufficient investment assets. The funds will cease trading on NYSE Arca on July 24, 2025, and shareholders can sell their holdings before the closing date. Between July 24th and July 30th, shareholders may only sell their shares to certain broker-dealers. After the liquidation date, each fund will distribute cash to shareholders. These distributions are taxable events and may include accrued capital gains and dividends. Once the distributions are complete, the funds will terminate. For more information on Direxion and their ETFs, visit their website at w.direxion.com.
Rock breaks, powering AI, Nicola Mining Inc. T-Steg and I'm in AF. Copper project aligns with data center surge. Nicola Mining Inc., listed on the TSX.vim and on the OTCQB as HESIF, is strategically positioned to supply the growing demand for copper in the infrastructure supporting the revolution of artificial intelligence. The company's new Craigmont copper project in British Columbia, a historic high-grade copper mine, aligns perfectly with the increasing requirements of data centers optimized for AI workloads. Nicola Mining's commitment to responsible development and operational excellence ensures the supply of high-quality copper to the market. To learn more about Nicola Mining, visit their website at www.nicolamining.com.
Investor news breaks. G Mining Ventures Corp, TSX, GMINF, reports approval of all AGM resolutions. G Mining Ventures Corp, GMIN, reported the approval of all resolutions at its annual general and special meeting of shareholders. The company's Notice of Meeting and Information Circular from May 27, 2025, received the required majority approval. G-Mine is focused on acquiring, exploring, and developing precious metal projects to benefit from successful mine development. The company is well-positioned for growth as a mid-tier precious metals producer with key projects in Brazil and Guyana. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform offering advanced press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.